Hello everyone, welcome to Adult Math and Analysis, and today is the 23rd of August 2023. So what we'll have for today, let me just show you a little bit. Okay, so what we will have for today, if you can see here in my Forex Factory, that today is the Wednesday, 23rd of August. So we will have some flash manufacturing and flash services PMI from several countries, such as in the Euro, we will have France and Germany. Meanwhile, we will have also in the UK and the US. Okay, so this will be showing that the condition of the businesses in that particular country, which is in manufacturing industry and services industry. As we know, after pandemic, the manufacturing industry is in contraction or is not in a good shape. Meanwhile, in services business, it skyrocketing. So the expansion of the services is being shown in being slow lately, but it's still above 50, which means it's showing an expansion. But unless, except for the France is still below 50. So, but it's still better than manufacturing. So both of these, all of this country is having the services is better than their industry. But industry is getting better, and getting better. So this will show what is the latest condition of the updated condition of each country about this manufacturing and the services industry. Okay, so since today we will only have the European and the UK and the US manufacturing and services, flash services PMI. Today I'm going to discuss about Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD will affect it much from this PMI data. Yeah, if you can see from previous experience from last week, that from last month, that most of the PMI data is affecting the Euro USD. This will affect it by today. Yeah, if you can see here that today is the price is at 1.0857, yeah, and just reaching below my support level 1.0852. Now it's at 57, so it's a little bit above my support level, but it's now, if you can see, the stochastic is moving higher and exiting the oversold area, showing that there's a possibility that the euro is going to move higher. So if the data is better means that the manufacturing is getting better and the services is still in expansion. That's a possibility that Euro USD or Euro is will be stronger for today. Yeah, and I'm expecting that in the European session it will reach our 20-minute moving average 1.0878, unless it break below our support level at 1.0852. But if it able to reach 1.0878, my 20 per moving average, will this move higher to reach my uh, resistance level at 1.0902 or not? It depend on the US session. So if the US is weaker, then there's a possibility that Euro USD will be moved higher. So today we will have two sessions to watch for. The first one in the European session, and the second one in the US session. So when you see this video, you must understand what is the condition or the time now, whether it's already moved or not, in the European session or in the US session. Okay, so that's it for today. Have a great day and have a great trade. Thank you.